Hello, my name is Alprin Yashar, and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. We are happy to share with you our newest feature, which is the Swift Sensors Genius. The Swift Sensors Genius is an AI chat box that will assist you in resolving issues within your account. You can access the Swift Sensors Genius by going to the Help screen on the top right of your console. Then you will click on the Swift Sensors Genius icon. This icon will take you to another window where you will interact with the AI chat box. You may ask the Swift Sensors Genius a multitude of questions. You may ask it for assistance configuring your account, such as configuring thresholds and alerts. You may ask it how to install new sensors, and you may ask it to troubleshoot issues on your account as well. If you are dissatisfied with your answers, you can always reach out to Swift Sensors support at support@swiftsensors.com or call us by the number that was provided. Let's test out this new chat box. Let's say I have a low battery alert on one of my sensors and I want to know how to replace the batteries. I can ask the AI chat box now. And there we go. We have the perfect instructions on how to replace the batteries for our sensors. We hope that you will use this new tool in order to save you time and to optimize your experience with the Swift Sensors console. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.